Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried plantain. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need some very ripe plantain, or as Belizeans we say plantain. What you'll want to do is cut off both ends of the plantain. Then you're going to cut that in half. Score it down the middle and then peel it. So if you're not familiar with plantain, well, there are a lot of things you can do with plantain at the different stages of ripeness. So if you have a green plantain, you can make plantain chips with that. And I have a video on how to make plantain chips if you want to check that out. And then if the plantain is half ripe, you can make boiled plantain, and I have a video of that also, so I'm going to leave them link below if you want to check them out. And then of course when it's ripe you can make fried plantain, but there are a lot of different things you can do with your plantain. After you peel the plantain, you'll want to slice it in 4 to 5 pieces. And I'm doing this in my hand, but I'm used to this. So if this is the first time you're doing this, please be really careful, because when the plantain is ripe, it's really slippery and you don't want to cut yourself. But I've been doing it this way for years in my hands and it's not a problem for me, and I've never cut myself. But please be careful, because you might cut yourself if you're not used to it. If you've never had plantain, I would highly recommend it. It's so good. It's like, you know, when it gets ripe, it's like a banana. It gets sweet. But you have to try it at every stage. So try the green plantain, try to have half ripe plantain and the ripe plantain, and you'll be surprised at how different it tastes at each stage and how good it is. I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally to you, but I have a sore throat and a cough, so yeah, it's kind of hard to record this. I mean, I had to do it over a couple times just because it sounds so bad with my voice. Like, I feel like I sound like a toad in a drum. With my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add some canola oil to it. But you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, any kind of flavorless oil to fry your plantain. Once the oil is nice and hot, put the plantain in and let that fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And you'll know when it's ready to be turned, because you'll see it start to get brown around the edges, and that's when you'll turn it, and then let it fry on the next side. Be sure to put some paper towel down on a plate to drain them after you fry them. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome and thank you for stopping by. I am Belizean. I make a lot of Belizean food. I have a whole Belizean food playlist going on down below, so you can check that out. But I also make a lot of different food because I love food. I love a little bit of everything. So yeah, I would highly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And if you have not been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so yeah, come follow me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there, so I would appreciate it if you thumbs it up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all your love and support, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.